The foldable 88-key portable keyboard features full-size, semi-weighted keys with a wood-grain texture that mimic the feel of an acoustic piano, providing a realistic playing experience. Its high-fidelity dual speakers deliver enhanced sound quality with clear treble and rich bass, making it suitable for both home practice and small performances. The innovative foldable design makes this keyboard significantly more compact than traditional digital pianos, and it comes with a carrying case for easy transport. With a professional sound library that includes 27 premium voices and 128 rhythmic accompaniments, this keyboard caters to both learners and live performers. The keyboard comes as a complete starter kit with essential accessories such as an adjustable sustain pedal, music stand, power adapter, and a rechargeable battery lasting up to 5 hours. Bluetooth connectivity and a free mobile app enhance the keyboard's functionality, offering a modern and versatile tool for beginners and seasoned players alike.